Today I am pleased to report that 6,501 Albertans have recovered from COVID-19, leaving 400 active cases in the province. Currently, 53 people are hospitalized with COVID-19, with 6 of these in ICUs. In the last 24 hours, out of 2,709 new tests, there were 34 new cases. No new deaths have been reported. We are monitoring an increase in active cases in the Edmonton zone. Many of the new cases can be traced back to 2 private family gatherings. I commend the individuals involved for getting tested as soon as they felt symptoms. This has helped us trace and limit further spread of the infection. Outbreaks such as this one linked to social gatherings are not completely unexpected now that our gathering restrictions have been relaxed. But I must stress that we have the ability to prevent such cases by continuing to follow public health measures when gathering. You must still keep 2 meters apart from anyone outside your household or cohort family. I would again urge you not to share food or drinks with people outside your household or cohort family, as this greatly increases the risk of infection by passing objects such as containers or serving spoons from person to person. I know it may be difficult or even seem rude to ask guests to bring their own food and drink and not share it, but it is necessary. Outdoor gatherings have a lower risk than indoor gatherings, so if you are getting together with those outside your household or cohort family, stay outside if possible. Finally, like this group did, it is critical to go for testing with even minor symptoms that could be related to COVID-19. And if anyone is feeling ill, do not attend a group gathering. I note that expanded testing access means that you can go online to book your own appointment at a time that is convenient for you. We must not shame those who test positive for COVID, but rather support those who need to be isolated if they have the infection or if they've been in close contact with someone who has. Only by working together can we stop the spread, and the success of our relaunch depends on all of us doing our part. I would say that on the whole, Albertans have done well, that our numbers have remained low, which is encouraging. I do think, though, that as we've moved into that relaunch in stage 1, what I believe from what information I've received and from what I've seen is that initially people may have been a little bit cautious, but as our numbers have remained low, I wonder if there is a bit of a feeling that we can leave the restrictions behind us and not worry about COVID anymore. And I wonder a bit about the recent bit of an uptick in numbers, if that's a reflection of a feeling that COVID is over, that we're past COVID. And so I think one of the lessons learned, I would say, in what we're seeing right now with just a little bit of an uptick is to remember that the new normal is not like the old, and that we have to keep protecting each other, and that is what will get us through this, is moving into relaunch and being able to open more things. And we know that we need to support all aspects of people's health, which includes social, it includes employment, it includes being able to connect with people. We also need to protect each other from the infectious disease risk of COVID. It has not gone away. So again, I think one of the key lessons is balance, and we continue to strive for that balance of being able to have the protections from COVID that we need, and also being able to have the interactions, the employment, and the opening of society that will support all aspects of health. There was a very loud party in my neighborhood on the weekend, and so when I called to ask for some help with that, there was a delay of quite some time before getting through to an operator, and they told me that the noise complaints across the city for loud parties were very significant. There was a substantial increase in them. I haven't spoken with the police about whether that's unusual for this time of year or not, but it seemed to me that, plus the fact that we're getting reports of other outdoor locations where there have been large numbers of people gathering. And I think that, again, it's quite natural. The weather's nice. People want to be outdoors. They want to be with friends. But I do wonder if, because of our low numbers, we're in some ways a victim of our own success. So again, want to remind people that COVID will be with us for months to come, and we need to continue to take action to stop the spread.